Oh.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh.
Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:15 p.m.
That's a big one.
At 7:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wales to near McClanago to near East Troy to near Beloit, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Kenosha, Racine, Waukesha, West Allis, New Berlin, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Mount Pleasant, Mosquito, South Milwaukee, Pleasant Prairie, Cudahy, Greendale, Elkhorn, St. Francis, Delavan, Hales Corners, Lake Geneva, and McClanago. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Warner Botanical Gardens and General Mitchell International Airport. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south central and southeastern Wisconsin.